Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into a crucial maintenance task for your Thermomix, replacing the switches. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can do it safely and effectively. Let's get started. Firstly, gather your tools. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of needle nose pliers. 4. A multimeter for testing the switches. 5. A soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Once it's disconnected from the power source, flip it upside down. This will give you easy access to the screws that hold the base together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the base. Make sure to keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. Once all screws are removed, carefully lift the base off the main body of the Thermomix. Now, you should see the internal components, including the switches. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using a soft cloth. Keeping the interior clean will help prolong the life of your appliance. Next, identify the switches that need replacement. Use your multimeter to test them. If a switch doesn't register properly, it's time for a replacement. Disconnect the wires attached to the faulty switch using your needle nose pliers. Be gentle to avoid damaging any other components. When you have the new switches, connect them to the same terminals as the old ones. Ensure that the connections are secure to prevent any future issues. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help ensure everything is connected correctly. Once the new switches are in place, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back on the main body and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but don't over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Before testing your Thermomix, take a moment to ensure that no tools or loose screws are left inside. Safety first. Plug the appliance back in and test the new switches to confirm they are functioning properly. If you find that the Thermomix still isn't working as expected, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Plus, there are no calls, no travel involved, we make it seamless for you. For those who prefer a professional touch, we offer a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. It's all about making the process as smooth as possible for you. Finally, if everything is working well, give your Thermomix a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges from the exterior. Your appliance is now ready to serve you again, fully functional with new switches. Remember, regular maintenance can extend the life of your Thermomix significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.